Just finished up a job for this customer. He sent us 2 pairs of Bronco door panels. He wanted them to look as OEM as possible, but make them nice. We had to do a ton of plastic repairs and some plastic fabrications to all of them. We tore them down to their bare states, which means this back piece of the pocket comes out, the carpet comes off, this comes off, armrest comes off, all this comes off, that comes off, speaker grill, everything comes off. We go ahead and take care of all the repairs at that point. We recolored it in a premium coloring that doesn't chip, peel, crack, or wipe off with chemicals, even ones as harsh as acetone. Brand new carpet on the bottom. Italian leather up here. Custom-made armrests. These are way nicer than the originals. We have our brand new window switch cover on here. These are made out of a nylon glass plastic. These can actually withstand temperatures up over 340 degrees before they'll start to compromise. That means the material won't start to compromise until temps over that, meaning it's not going to start to get soft if it's like a hot climate in the middle of summer. Below zero, they also don't lose their strength as well. Very high strength, high impact resistant. Super nice parts. You will not beat the quality of these. We redid the wood grain. Very, very close to the original Eddie Bauer style wood grain, except it looks a little more realistic and not as cheap. Around the back, we replaced the speaker cloth. Brand new padding. The inserts, we properly repair all of these and build those up as much as we need to make them right. The whole lip up there that holds the window sweeps got replaced. Show you guys the rest of these. Here's the other left front panel. Same customer, same job. Like I said, he had 2 pairs of these panels. He wanted them the same. Some nice seams. We do work on any year, any make, any model vehicle. From the roof to the floor, whether it be small repairs or a custom makeover head to toe. Doesn't matter what the vehicle is, it's all the same, it's just different shapes and different colors. Although we do get a lot of these old 90s panels. We think he'll be very happy with these. Here's one of his other panels. We do retexture our repairs too. Might be hard to see. See if I can get a different zoom. There was a really big crack right in here that went up this way and down this way, so we took care of that, retextured it. Barely tell there was anything even there. That's just an example. There were tons of repairs that we had to do to these guys. Here's a preview as well. When we repair these, we repair all of this area. This panel, I think it was 3 out of the 4 needed all of this refabricated. So we go in with raw plastic and remake the entire thing. And we do some other steps to make sure it's nice and strong, and we would consider this properly done. The customer should have no worries about this whatsoever. And last but not least, the last one for this customer. He also purchased our moisture barrier kits to go with those. I'll show those in a second. And he did get it all new window switch covers for every door. These are going to look killer in his Bronco. Definitely hit us up with your interior needs at cardesigns.co. We work on any year, any make, any model vehicle from the roof to the floor, whether it be a custom makeover or small repairs. Upholstery, plastic repair and fabrication, brand new seat belts, hydrographics, much, much more. Photo rendering services. That's cardesigns.co.